In this lesson, I want to show you and explain to you how to work with the changing colors of the textile. At first, you need to go to adjustment layer. You can see them on the right, in the right up corner. And you need to choose the layer called hue saturation. When we choose the layer, here we need to choose the finger, and then when we choose the finger, we come to the textile, press here, and as you can see, choose only the color of the textile. In our case is reds. The next step I want to do, I will work with hue and just, I don't know, drag left, right, see how it's changing. I really like this blue one for sure, but let's try something different. Maybe like this one. Next step I would do, I would go to saturation just to see if I want to have the color of textile more vibrant or maybe less vibrant. The important moment when you do this kind of correction, please make sure that you're not doing too much, because everything have to be more beautiful than in real life, but it have to be look like something from real life. So be careful with this. And I would like to make it lighter, probably. Yeah, like this it looks more natural is for me. Maybe I would add some color a bit. And this looks good. You can also change for any other color you like. The green looks great, but the green I would like to have more vibrant and maybe a bit, yeah, more darker green. Super beautiful. So it's very easy to apply. You can work with almost every color in the background. Just make sure that you select the exact color you want to work with. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and hope to hear from you soon.